So what are the main differences between knotless braids and traditional box braids? Well, the first difference is in the name. Traditional box braids insert extension hair to a client's natural hair with a knotting technique at the base. That technique is what is most popularized, even though people have different ways of installing the hair with the knotted technique. It all equals the same thing: a knot at the base and a braid extending from the client's scalp. So here is a closer look of Summer's braids. This side is knotless braids, and this side is traditional box braids. The second truth about knotless braids is that they lay flatter on the client's head. And done correctly, knotless braids, because they don't have the knot at the base, will lay flatter and closer to the client's head, which allows them to wear a cap or a hat if they want to. Traditional box braids have the knot at the base, and so it's a bulkier hairstyle. So as you can see, this side is flatter than this side. This is one of the main benefits. Generally speaking, traditional box braids have to age before you can comfortably style them. Depending on who the stylist is and the skill level of the stylist and the size of the braid, you usually have to wait upwards of 3 weeks to style box braids comfortably. Now, it doesn't matter which technique you use, box braids will be able to move in your client's head, but the key word here is comfort. With knotless box braids done the right way, the client is able to leave your chair and immediately style their hair with little to no discomfort.
You see the transformation in front of you and you feel good afterwards. There's no migraine, there's no, I gotta go pop some, brown coated pill. Like, you're ready to rock and roll.
So I never do this. Like, I'm totally not one of those like vlogger type people. Like, do y'all not see the fact that my hair is up in this messy bun? It's day one. It's not even day one. It's like 3 hours in.
What's happening is that I'm speechless because these braids are popping, like boom, boom, boom. I'm not, like, my head doesn't hurt. She's doing God's work.
No matter what size your braids are, you're going to see and be able to access more of your scalp. Traditional box braids have a more condensed, packed look because they're bulkier, and so you see less scalp and can access less of your scalp. Number 5. So traditional box braids also require more synthetic hair, which in turn makes the hair heavier. Knotless braids are lighter because the pieces that you add to the client's hair are smaller and it has a lot more movement. Even without dipping, there's just a better flow to these braids than these braids. This is even without dipping.